My name is Shaun Peterson. My native name is Qwalsius. I'm from the Puyallup tribe, and my installation on the Seattle waterfront is titled Family. What attracted me to do public art for the waterfront is just that awareness of the teachers that influenced me and the visibility of Coast Salish and Puget Sound native art. To describe the three figures that are at the waterfront as the installation, I chose to call it Family and leave it somewhat ambiguous from speaking with our elders about not citing individuals, especially in Puget Sound culture. We don't organize ourselves by clan systems. The way that this art reflects the story of the waterfront is to recognize a sculptural style from Puget Sound that hasn't been practiced in a very long time and on this scale. In general, any project that I get involved with, I try to understand its key purpose. Most of what I'm called for is to represent Coast Salish culture in some aspect. Exploring stories is part of that. So with the waterfront, the difference there being its location, how much it's changed, but how much was there beforehand, the symbolism of overlap with the tribes here in this region that would trade with each other, and imitating as best as I can those natural pigments to bring out what trade would be like, and that it's an ongoing thing, just Pike Place in itself. I hope future generations can take away from the art that it can be built upon and it's ever evolving. This work in particular was reaching far into the most, what my mentor Greg Colfax would call an ancient style. What I would like visitors of Waterfront Park to take away knowledge of Coast Salish culture is its overlapping relationships within the region of the art history as it extends to the people from Makah Nation and Nia Bay, as far as places as Vancouver Island and other tribes on the coast. There's similar relationships in design. To have an impact, to have people maybe curious about where they're from, where this art form looks foreign to most people, but it's from this place.